This video will walk you through the steps to update an existing program record in the GC3 Intern program database. The first step is to obtain the update link to the Intern program database from GC3. Once you receive the link, copy and paste it into your browser. Select your institution from the drop-down box, scroll down, and click on the search button. Click on the down arrow to see the programs assigned to your institution. To update a program record, you can click on the title of the program, and the program update screen will appear. On this screen, you can update the title of a program, the hyperlink associated with that program on your website, and the degree awarded in that program. So in this case, we're going to update K-12 Art Education and make it just Art Education. Click the Update button, and when we get back to the programs, you can see that it's now simply Art Education. Another scenario is with some of the other larger institutions, your programs may be organized into different colleges and schools within your college or university. We'll use NKU as an example, and you can see where their programs are actually organized according to the college or university the program is associated with. So you click on the down arrow for the college in which your program resides, and again, to update the program information, you click on the program title and the update screen will again appear. Now the main difference is with this situation, there's a list of colleges and schools associated with that particular institution, in this case NKU. So you can see the Integrative Studies program has been assigned to the College of Arts and Sciences. If you want to change that, you just click on the program or the college the program is associated with, and you can see where it's Integrative Studies, there's the hyperlink, there's the degree. Click Update, go to the College of Informatics, and you see Integrative Studies. It's no longer associated with the College of Arts and Sciences. Now in the rare case where you need to add a college or school, you can contact the GC3 office and we will walk you through that process. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful.